Guys, I know that there's some crazy fishing folks out there that are like me, and if you're not able to get up on a Saturday morning and go fishing like I want to do, I put it perfectly the other day when I said, when you can't go fishing and you have to watch somebody else fish, it's sort of that same feeling that you get in the pit of your stomach, like when you know that you forgot to do something, but you're not sure what you're supposed to do. In this case, we know what we're supposed to do, but it's still that kind of gut-wrenching feeling. So this morning, I am heading down to Lake Louisville just to have some time to sit on the bank and just watch the lake. It's a beautiful morning out here, and maybe just get a little taste of what I'm missing today. Just to I don't know, scratch the itch, or just to be close to the water. In fact, I know that I've fished this spot a lot of times, and I know that I'm close to a lot of fish. So I hope you enjoy this little lake experience. I'm gonna stop this camera with my nose because I have a drone in my hand. That's enough of that. We are all registered and just did our packet pickup for the
Blacklight 5K at Texas Motor Speedway. So extremely excited to get out there. I've got a crew with me this time. My wife is running with me, as well as my brother and sister-in-law. So got my kiddos going with us too. So Owen and Charlie, my 8-year-old and 5-year-old, they're gonna run with me, and we are gonna push the younger two in a double stroller. So even though tomorrow we're not going for speed or time, we're gonna do our very best to make sure that we have as little wind resistance as humanly. Gosh dang it, people. What do you think this is, a parking lot? Come on. We're gonna do our very best to eliminate the drag, which means we got to get this taken care of. So heading to the lodge in Keller, totally recommend it. Let's go. Nothing like a fresh neck shave and a clean haircut to get you ready for race day. So heading home, gonna get everything ready, and we'll see y'all at the race Saturday night, 6:15. Got a few of us gonna be doing that. Should be a lot of fun. But thanks to a little movie magic, you don't have to wait any longer than right now. All right, so as we talked about earlier, today is race day. Actually, tonight is technically race night. So this is a Blacklight 5K. So if you've never done one of these before, you actually get all decked out in glow garb, and you run through the track, and from what I understand, it's supposed to be lit up, and there's a giant after party, so we may stick around a little bit for that. But I wanted to walk you through a little bit about what I am going to be wearing tonight. The t-shirts for this, they only go up to an XL, and so I decided to get my wife a second one. That way she has two mediums, and y'all don't want to see me in a medium. So I'm going to wear something a little bit different, and I think this is going to work out really well. Let me show you what I got. I'm just going to wear this nice blue long sleeve shirt. It's going to be kind of cold, and these are kind of shiny gray pants, so I think those are going to work out well. We also went and raided the Dollar Tree, got us some glow bracelets, got us some dangles, a couple giant necklaces that I can connect together and make something really awesome out of. And last but not least, I'm going to be looking stylish in my snowflake headband. My wife and I will actually be sporting matching headbands, so judge if you will. I think it looks nice. So tonight, the goal is not necessarily to go for time. So my wife and I, we're going to run it together. I've also got my brother and sister-in-law going to run it with me, and we've got all 4 kids with us. 2 are going to be in the stroller, and 2 are going to run it with us. And so tonight is not about time. Tonight is about having a good time, running with the family, kind of sticking together. So the game plan is to run with the gimbal. So I'm going to run with my phone and my gimbal in hand, see if I can get a little bit better race footage than I am used to doing. And we're going to take it easy. We're going to try not to walk too much. We're going to hit the trail and try to cross finish line as a family. So this one's definitely a little bit different in that we're not racing for a specific cause. We're racing to get my family out together so we can all do something active and exciting together, and cross finish line, complete something as a family. It'll actually be our second race. We did a bubble run not too long ago, so the boys were super excited. We're gonna head on to the track, and we'll see you there. Getting a little pre-game fuel at the In-N-Out. Are you ready for the race? Yeah? Are you excited?
I know.
You're gonna run so fast?
Are you kidding? I am.
With those, maybe if you put them on the right feet, you'd go even faster.
How about you? Are you ready for the race? Yeah? Are you gonna be quick, fast, super fast?
Yep.
Which one? Quick, fast, or super fast?
Go.
All right, well, we are here, and I'm all glowed up and looking mighty fly. If I may say so myself, I'm going to show up very well once the sun goes down. And you may not be able to see it right now, But sporting my little snowflake. So we got the whole crew here. Everybody's here with us, and it is chilly, but not too bad. But we're gonna go ahead and head on over to the start of the race and get this thing going here in about 25 minutes or so.
That's so good.
Yeah, they're super fun.
That's so good. That's so good. That's so good. That's so good.
Charlie.
That's so good. That's so good.
About a mile down, probably.
That's so good. That's so good.
Wildest party ever.